Hello guys, this is Market Insights and today I'm going to be talking about Soundhound AI. Is it a dead stock? At the current moment, I will say most likely it is for the short term, right? So it's at $6.93. It is a sell on basically everything. Moving averages is a strong sell, and we do see that it cannot hold any weight at the current moment, that it fell right from $7 all the way to $6.90. Good thing is it is kind of hanging around $6.90, but if it falls below $6.77, the next round target will be $4.57. So if we look at the financials, one second here, their ownership, not closely held shares, a little bit of insider, not trading, but insider ownership. Their valuation is okay. We look at the growth and profitability. Quarter after quarter, their revenue seems to increase a little bit, but they need to start hitting that net income. So last quarter of 2025, they did. This quarter, not really, right? So there is a lot of things going on with Soundhound. Their revenue they are hitting their revenue estimates, which is good. But we do see with their earnings per share that it is not increasing. We need a stock that their earnings per share increases. So them not increasing their earnings per share and them not having a good forecast, really in retrospect, could cause the stock not to perform. Wall Street is not really liking this stock, especially on a day where the S&P 500 is green. So I want to go to the forecast because this will make me feel a lot better. We do see that the forecast is, current $6.93, minimum is $8, average $13. That would be great if that hit that, and max is 17. So analyst ratings are giving it a strong buy. Their earnings per share seems like, again, they are trying to hit break even on the earnings per share, but their forecast doesn't really look that good in retrospect. So give me 1 second. My computer is acting so slow, super slow. But their revenue is forecasting to increase annually, which is another good sign. But we need the net income to increase. We need basically great performance. And I keep saying this at the end of the day. There is great news with Soundhound, but is Soundhound a great, not even great performer? Is Soundhound going to exceed their targets? Is their forecast going to exceed? Is everything going to do really well? They need more deals. They need something that is going to bring the stock up. Kind of like what I talked about SoFi. SoFi is doing amazing. Their revenue is increasing 40% year over year, but what is going on? We saw with Robinhood yesterday that they just did their IPO underwriting. They just did, sports betting. They're doing everything correctly. Predictive markets, not sports betting, but predictive markets. What is going on with Soundhound to make them be a leader in the agentic AI space? Right now, yes, they have an okay forecast, and it is a small cap stock. It could be a good I call it a banger. It could be a great banger within the next few years, but in the short term, no. What my trading strategy is with Soundhound is cover calls. Until this starts to perform, I am going to be doing cover calls even if the premiums are not good, because I'd rather make a little bit of money right now instead of just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. If you really want to, dollar cost average Soundhound. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm thinking, right? And we do see, once it loads up, we do see that they are doing some sort of stuff, right? So short pressure despite strong revenue growth. So there is some news. There are some bullish news. There is a fireside chat with the CEO and India AI boom with the new tech center. So there is stuff going up, and conversational AI rankings with ISG. So again, do your due diligence. Right now, if it holds at 690, buy at 690. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Be blessed. And it is Friday. We got a few more days in the market, and we're going to see what happens.